Hello friends, welcome to Gentleman Cadet Academy GCA. Hope you all are doing good. So today the video is regarding the difference between infantry and mechanized infantry. And this question has been asked to a number of candidates in the personal interview because these are the basics of the army, and this question is important only if you're going for SSB of Indian Army. And if you know the basics of the army, it shows you're motivated. But if you don't know the basics of the army, like what is infantry, what is armored, what is artillery, then it shows that you lack motivation. So long story short, you must know the basics of the service you are going to appear for the interview. So again, without wasting any time, let us start. So talking about infantry, so infantry basically refers to the soldiers on foot that fights hand-to-hand combat with the enemy and physically holds the ground captured by their own forces during an offensive operation. Then talking about the mechanized infantry, they consist of BMPs. So BMP is basically a Russian word which means Bovoya Mekhona Pekoti, and it basically stands for infantry fighting vehicles. And these mechanized infantry soldiers, they operate BMPs that operate alongside tanks, and they transport soldiers within the BMP. They also engage and neutralize any adversaries that are overwhelmed by the tank's advance. Now talking about the difference between both. So I have divided the difference between both in four parts. The very first is the equipment. So regular infantry, they normally relies on foot movement and light vehicles, typically offering minimal protection, and they normally have guns like NSAS, AK-47, rocket launchers. And in contrast, mechanized infantry is equipped with armored personal carriers or the infantry fighting vehicles, which provides enhanced protection and firepower during engagements. Then the second difference is on the basis of mobility. So mechanized infantry, they enjoys superior mobility due to their armored vehicles, enabling rapid deployment and movement across various terrains, whereas regular infantry is restricted by foot speed and they may struggle with quick repositioning during combat situations. Then talking about the third factor, that is the combat effectiveness. So mechanized infantry units, they can engage more effectively as their vehicles often come equipped with mounted weapons like machine guns, which enhances their firepower, whereas regular infantry, they relies totally on individual weapons, making them less effective in firepower during maneuver. Then talking about the training part, so mechanized infantry, they requires more complex training to handle the vehicle operation and maintenance, while regular infantry, they focuses on traditional foot drills and tactics. So in conclusion, mechanized infantry, they constitutes a significantly advanced type of military unit, leveraging the use of armored vehicles to provide superior protection and enhanced combat efficiency on the battlefield. And this capability allows mech infantry to engage in operations with a level of resilience and firepower that surpasses that of traditional forces. And this distinction highlights the evolution of military strategy, where mech infantry units can adapt to various combat scenarios more effectively than their non-mechanized counterparts. So friends, this was all about the difference between mech and regular infantry. I have already made a detailed video on mechanized infantry and infantry of the Indian Army. If you want to watch these videos, the link is available in the I button. And I hope this video will be beneficial for you. So till then, keep learning, keep preparing, and keep watching. Best of luck for your upcoming SSB. Thank you.